Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete history on Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, we can see that we have the three lines where you can go and check out the history, your receivers, settings and everything, the logo button. And in the middle of the screen, we have the send money online where you can go and send your money, of course, online. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete history on Western Union. So go to Western Union website, as I told you in the start of the video, and of course log in. Then navigate to your recent money transfer activity. You can go there by clicking on these three lines here. And here you can go and of course find it. Then choose the transaction you want to go and delete. When you have chose one, click on the edit or delete option next to the transaction. Confirm that you want to delete this transaction from your history. And then of course, when you confirm that, the transaction will be of course deleted immediately when of course you do that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.